What's the meaning of Bermudian? Bermudian. Bermudian.
Bermudian. Bermudian. Bermudian refers to anything or anyone that is related to Bermuda, a British overseas territory situated in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The term Bermudian is generally used to describe people from Bermuda and their culture, customs, and traditions. It can also refer to things or products that originate from Bermuda, such as Bermudian cuisine, music, or clothing. As a British overseas territory, Bermuda has a unique history and culture that reflects its colonial past and influences from West Africa and the Caribbean. Bermudians are proud of their distinct identity and often celebrate their heritage through festivals, music, and traditional dress.